So this is the early season foliage of mouse garlic, Allium angulosum. This is one of my favorite perennial alliums. It's probably the most similar to a garlic chive as far as familiar alliums to most people. The whole plant is edible, but I tend to mostly eat the leaves this time of year, and in a couple weeks it'll start blooming and I eat the flowers too. If I'm gonna dig up a clump of it, I'll usually harvest some of the roots as well, but most of the time I don't bother. The flavor is pretty mild for an allium, but it's got a good strong flavor, but not overwhelming. It's very easy to grow. This patch has been here for, I want to say about 11 years, and I've taken hundreds and hundreds of divisions out of it, harvested a lot of food, and basically all I've ever had to do is weed it and add mulch. So it doesn't take a whole lot of care. It grows in a tight clumping form like this. You'd get a clump this size from a single plant in one good season of growth.